How are we doing, guys? How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Cocktails. And today is a little bit of a different one, as I do have a very special guest here to help me make her favourite cocktail. Please welcome my mother.
Hello.
Hello, mummy.
Hello,
So, as I said a minute ago, we're going to be making my mum's favourite cocktail, which is
A mojito?
a mojito. And I've gathered together all the ingredients. Okay, do you know what goes in a mojito?
Yes.
What?
Ice.
Good start.
White rum.
White rum,
Soda water.
soda water,
Sugar syrup.
sugar syrup,
A mint.
and mint.
Oh, and the lime.
And
sorry.
lime, exactly.
I forget that. Right.
Ready?
Let's go.
Okay, so what do you need first?
Ice.
And what's the ice going to be going in?
Oh, the glass.
Okay, so we need a glass, exactly. Now, what's going to go into the glass first?
Ice.
Before the ice? Mint.
Mint.
So when you're making a mojito... Okay, so... Right.
Let me stop laughing.
This is fine. What do we need first?
Mint.
We do need a mint. What is the mint going to go in?
Oh, God.
Glass. Doesn't matter. So, what do we need first? The mint is going to go. The mint is going to wilt away if we don't get going soon. Start again.
Right. Stop making me laugh.
What do we need first?
A glass.
Glass. Perfect. So I've got two rather large glasses, so we can make some big mojitos. And you need about 8 to 10 mint leaves. Just hit it, because that just kind of releases the flavours, and then throw it in the glass. So we've got one of the. Do you know what this is called?
Squeezer.
Squeezer, otherwise known as a Mexican elbow.
Oh, is it?
That's it. You want about 25 mils of lime juice. Perfect. And then after that, we need to put some sugar syrup. Now, you don't like things very sweet, do you?
No, not very sweet.
Okay, so you can put in as much or as little sugar syrup as you want.
Right.
So you can do half of an egg cup into the drink
Okay. All right.
of sugar syrup. Yeah. You can always add more later. You can't take it away.
Okay.
I like it a bit sweeter, so I'll have a little bit more.
You should really know how to do this, because I've seen you do it.
You should do,
lots of
because
times.
you've made it, yeah, exactly. What are we missing?
White rum.
White rum. Okay, so grab your rum.
I can't.
There we go. So grab your egg cup, and you want to do 2 of those. Do it near the glass, just so you don't pour white rum all over the... Yeah, and another one.
2.
Perfect. Now, we do have big glasses, so we could put in a bit more. But if we need to put more in, we'll put more in later on. Rightio? Poured most of the ingredients. We're missing one ingredient, which is...
Soda water.
Exactly. But now we're gonna put the ice in. We're gonna mix it together. So we want to start adding ice into the drink. Talk amongst yourselves. Okay, so you want to go about 3/4 of the way.
We have to make during these crazy times.
Exactly. So now we need to churn. So get your napkin, and what you want to do is you need the spoon to go all the way down to the bottom of the glass, and you want to churn vigorously, like this. Try and get all those mint leaves to come up. How's it looking? Looking good. Now the best part is to try it. So try your drink. I just dropped it all down.
Oh, that's nice.
Delicious, isn't it?
I'm not just saying that, it's nice.
Right, put a dash of soda water on each. Bit more on my one. Give it one more stir.
Yep.
Grab some more ice. Just use your hands. It's much easier. Right, now you've got your garnish over here.
Right.
The same as before. Just give it a little slap. And then just fan it out a little bit. And tuck it into the drink like this. And then take your straw. And put your straw in there. You put your straw next to your garnish.
I've lost my straw. Oh,
It's
there
over
it is. All right, okay.
Why'd you put your straw next to your garnish?
Smell it.
Exactly. Huh? So when you come to drink, you can smell the garnish at the same time. All right, let's finish off with a cocktail umbrella. So, well, I'm going to use green.
I'm going to use blue.
Blue.
We all match. Straw and umbrella. There.
Cheers.
Very nice. Cheers.
That is bloody delicious. It's good, isn't it?
Very nice.
Very good job.
Yeah.
Well done. And that is how you make a mojito. Huh?
And it's lovely.
Pretty delicious, isn't it? Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. If you want to see more videos from me teaching my family or friends how to make cocktails. And don't forget to subscribe. If you click down here somewhere, you can subscribe to the channel. And that's it. Thank you very, very much for watching. Thank you very much, Mum, for being in the video.
That's right.
Until next time, we'll see you tomorrow.
Cheers.
Bye.
It's very nice. Yeah, lovely.
All right. That's the end.
Yeah.
You can go now.